Hey guys, Ugga Dugga Bois here, and today we're basically just ripping stuff. This man looks overly excited to be here.
Yes.
As you can see, we got all the trucks down here. We have one go-kart, mini bike. There's a little two-stroker mini bike, or I guess dirt bike somewhere up there. Another mini bike, and we got the Honda. She's working good. So yeah, that's it. Let's rip these things, see how they do. So we've experienced our first problem here. The bolt somehow fell out. I was trying to start, nothing happened. So zip ties. Let's see how this starts. Oh, that should be fine. Come on, start for me. All right. Ah! Can't see. And here we are. It is the end of the evening here. We have the go-kart all loaded up. And we got the Honda here. These lights are absolutely fantastic. Look at that. That is beautiful. Shines real nice and bright. So this thing worked absolutely astonishingly. It was beautiful. It was a little hesitant at times in the beginning. Definitely a little bit of gunk in the car, but as we ran some seafoam and whatnot, she basically turned out perfect. So I could rev her up. She would not stall. She would not die. Shifted amazing. Thing is fast. Really, all I gotta do is just figure out what the heck's going on with these brakes. But other than that, it is beautiful. Still starts right up. Idles perfectly. Thing is amazing. So we had a great time out here ripping her. She really had a good time. Kind of worked out the kinks, whatnot. Go-kart was awesome. Mini bike was awesome. I had a few problems here and there. Chain blew on the mini bike. The master link went, but that's easy enough to do. One of the go-karts, the throttle cable broke, so we took a bunch of zip ties and just zip tied it. Made that work. And did a few other things here and there, but other than that, had an amazing time. This thing was awesome. Go-kart was awesome. Mini bike was awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed kind of the process of getting this all going, and then the final thing of it running. We will probably keep working on it in the future. Oh my gosh, I English amazingly. But I would like to try and get the seat cover fixed, whatnot. Definitely clean it up, get the winch all sorted out. It works, but it's all tangled to heck. Brakes, obviously. Maybe get some new switches here so we can actually get some lights here, maybe some brake lights or rear lights here. And then I think real quickly we're going to change the diff fluid again and another oil change, just because the people before us definitely neglected that. So kind of nice way just to get everything all lubricated and cleaned out, so then we can drop it again, get some new fresh stuff, and be set for a while. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed. I had an awesome time working on this, awesome time messing around with it, and I will see you guys all next time.